What's up, guys? How's it going? Got a little bit of unboxing video for y'all. We're looking at adding some speakers to our side by side, and did a little bit of searching around, and this is the brand we decided on. Pretty affordable. I think it was like $300. It was four speakers and an amplifier with a little controller. So yeah, let's get it opened up. This is what's in here. It's the NOAM NUTV 4 quad. So it's got 4 speakers, the amp, and the little controller. Let's see what it looks like. Right off the bat, we got some stickers. If you're into that kind of thing, put them on your toolbox or on your machine, whatever. So let's see what we got here. First box. Looks like we got an amplifier. This is all marine grade. It's got a water resistance rating on it. We got all the speaker wires. There's 4 of them. A little bit of mounting hardware for the amp. We got these guys. I think these are to help the mounting of the speakers, the different diameter round bars, your roll cage. That's what we got here. Let's see. Got another box. This one looks like harness for the amp, auxiliary cable. Pretty basic little controller, power, skip, volume up and down, and pair, Bluetooth. One moment was all we're waiting for here. Pretty good size, pretty hefty. Yeah, so that's where those little strips go in here for mounting the different diameter roll bars. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's 4 of these in here. Seem pretty legit. I'll be sharing more videos hopefully after they're installed, or review after running for a little while. But $300, I mean, that's a pretty solid deal. Really looking forward to getting these up and running here in a few minutes. Have a good one.